Welcome back to my channel. Today's unboxing is very special. I'm opening up Rose Shadow Collection Advent Box, and I'm absolutely sure that it's going to be a stunning set of planner tools and accessories inspired by the timeless LV luxury aesthetic. So if you're a planner girl, you want elevated details, everyday planning filled with a luxury experience, this just might be for you. So let's get into the things. Alright, let me put my glasses on so I can see. So this is the box that I purchased that was refunded to me for my birthday. So thank you, Lena. Thank you so much, Lena, for blessing me for my birthday for this box. I am so grateful and thankful for you, and I'm just so excited to see what you created this year. Alright, here is a beautiful thank you card. Okay. And this ruler is definitely smaller than the other ones that I have. This is her logo. And her rulers definitely comes in handy. And this is absolutely perfect for on the go. And this is a freebie here. So spoiler alert. If you don't want to see the items in the box and you actually receive the box, here's another thank you card from her postcard. I advise you to stop now because I'm going to do a full unboxing. This is my birthday present, and my birthday was on December the 7th, so let's go ahead and see what we got today. Woohoo! Look at the bear. Look at the bear envelope pen. It's so cute. I cannot wait to add this to my agenda. So this will be my first bear. Now I know she has the bear with the Coach inspired. I didn't get that, but I've seen it on her social media and it's absolutely gorgeous. And this is gorgeous too. So I cannot wait to add this to my agenda. So I'm gonna add it right now. Like right now. So I'm happy that I have the teddy bear in Louis. So if you're ever interested, I get all of my LV inspired magnetic pens from Lena at Rose Shadow Collection. And if you want to save 15% off, just use code Karen15. And I'll have her information in the description. So let me go ahead and add this little teddy bear. Aww. She's so precious. I'm excited. I'm glad to get that. Alright, so now let's find number 2. And that box, Lena, that box is so nice. It's so nice. Alright, so let me find number 2. Alright, here's number 2 right here. Now, I'm not sure if I was supposed to go backwards. I don't know, did I do this wrong? Oh well, it's too late now because I started with 1. Okay, let's see what I got. So I started to get the Coach bear. I really don't use my Coach notebook that much. So that's why I didn't get the Coach teddy bear, but it was absolutely beautiful. Alright, so I have another notepad. So I do love her notepads that she makes. And I have every notepad is LV inspired that she has because they do come in handy. And I typically keep them close and near to my LV agenda. See, she a little teddy bear on there. And then she has the blue on it. And see, blue is my favorite color. So I'm loving it. Cause you know, a lot of times you get a lot of pink things. So when I can see some blue things, I'm excited. Alright, so now let's open up this pouch, this velvet pouch, number 3. Oh, gorgeous. This is gorgeous right here. This will be perfect to add to my desk agenda. And so I might need to go ahead and set up my desk agenda. And I might end up adding, I probably end up adding cloth and paper 2026 agenda to it. Because right now I don't have anything in my desk agenda. So I think I might end up adding the cloth and paper planner to this. Because this ruler will fit inside of it. So please don't pay attention to what's inside here because I really don't have anything in here, but I do have some dashboards. So let me close that real quick. But that ruler will come in handy. Alright, so this is number 4. Let me open this up here. This is big. I don't think I ever received something from Lena that's this probably was size, a letter size. Oh. We got some acetate. Love this. And she gave us full sheets. So this is a gold foil and silver foil. Do I have silver? Cool. So I can mix me some dashboards out of that. And she gave us full sheets. So that's perfect because if you have different size planners and journals like I do, I need to start using my pocket Louis. I haven't used my pocket one in a long time. I don't know, but that wasn't in the plan for 2026. But I can make me a dashboard out of the acetate that we receive. Alright, so now let's go to number 5. Let's see what we got. Oh, we got, the stickers. That cover is absolutely gorgeous. And the blue and the brown is absolutely stunning. Stunning. And this sticker book is kind of short compared to the other ones. I remember she used to make the mini sticker books, but this says a journaling sticker book. This would be my first journaling sticker book from Lena. Oh my gosh, so gorgeous. Look at those stickers. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, I already need another one of these. I need to have more than one. Because when I do my plan with me's, I'm always using my Louis planner stickers. And these are so beautiful. So beautiful. I cannot wait to use these stickers. But before I use it, I need to be able to know if I can secure another sticker book. Lena, these are so pretty. Wow, this is so gorgeous. Okay, the days of the week. Okay, Lena, I see you. Oh yes, a terrible sheet for journaling. Yes, love this. The color scheme is me, and I'm here for it. And I already need a couple more of these journaling sticker books. I need a couple. All right, I need a couple. So hopefully she will offer these. Because I'm definitely going to ask. Because it was just like when I got my inverted notebook from Cloth and Paper. I didn't want to use it until I knew I secured another one. Alright, so we got another sticker book. And you see that cute little teddy bear? Oh, he's so precious! So gorgeous. He is so cute. He is so cute. I already know I'm going to need another one of these sticker books. I mean, do you see the detail and the foiling? This is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. I mean, this is so gorgeous. I cannot wait to do decorative planning with these stickers. I'm in awe. I just love them. Let me know your thoughts of the items that's in this FM box. Let me know your thoughts on the stickers. I'm loving it. I am loving it so much, and I just cannot wait. And I might just go ahead and do some back planning because I haven't done any planning this month so far in December. So I might end up adding these, not sure. But that's that's it. Let me know your thoughts of this year's Advent Box and Rose Shower collection. I love everything. I can't pick just one over the next because I think everything is just absolutely beautiful. Thank you, Lena, for creating this, and I'm looking forward to adding some more of these sticker books to my collection. Um, and I have her information in the description if you're interested in Rose Shadow Collection. And if you order from her, save 15% off with my coupon code Karen15. And thank you, Bessie, so much for joining me today. And I probably end up doing some plan with me, and I do have to set up my LV agenda for 2026, add my agendas and select which dashboards I want. So make sure you turn on the notification bell so you know when I do my plan with me and set up my agenda for 2026. Toodles!